There are a lot of moving clouds today, so today's video might get suddenly bright and then suddenly dull, so please bear with all the disturbances. I'm really sorry for that. Hello my gems, and in today's video I'm going to share a very simple and effective glowing skincare routine, and I basically want to focus on how you should be combining certain types of ingredients in your routine to get that quick and effective result. And unlike my others video, today I'm gonna first start with the morning skincare routine, and then later I will share a quick night routine. So the first ingredient that you really gotta include in your skincare routine if you want that glowing healthy skin, it's the rice extract. Now rice extract is rich in antioxidants and also has that skin barrier protection property. Like for instance, rice extract as an ingredient, it is rich in vitamin E and ferulic acid, and we all know that vitamin E and ferulic acid are nothing but really amazing antioxidants. And the people who are wondering what is antioxidants, why is it so important, they play multiple role in your skincare routine, but to put it in a very simple way, all I can say is antioxidant prevents the dullness on your skin. They maintain that glow on your skin and help achieve, gradually help achieve that even skin tone. A second thing which rice extract is rich in is the oryzanol, and oryzanol has that skin barrier protection property. And this is something that I really want to emphasize on, because when your skin barrier is damaged, it's not healthy. No matter what kind of actives you use, no matter what kind of skin brightening products you use, they are not gonna work on your skin. You will only end up with further dull and dried out skin. So just in case, if you are noticing that all the brightening products are not helping you out, you are only getting more and more dull skin, so take a step back from all the brightening products and focus on improving your skin barrier. By the way, why am I even talking about this? This video is about glowing skin. But anyways, yes, indirectly, healthy barrier is very important to get that healthy glowing skin. So to get all the goodness of rice extract in my skincare routine, the product that I will be using, it is the I'm From Rice Toner. Now this toner contains 77% of rice extract, yes, more than 77% of rice extract, so it's gonna provide all that antioxidant and skin barrier protection property. And this is a milky toner, and also it has the biphase solution, so shake well before using. So I included this toner in today's routine because of course I really love this product. It's about to get over. I think I'm only left with this much amount. And the second reason why I wanted to include here is because the goodness of rice extract in this toner is going to boost the performance of serum that I'm about to put on next. And in case you are not comfortable in spending a lot of amount on this product, I know this I'm From products are they're a bit on a costlier side. I wish they were more affordable, but they do have some minis. You can get the mini version of this I'm From Rice Toner, I think for some 700 something rupees, and I will link the website in the description box below, so definitely check it out. So in the second step, I want to focus on using the vitamin C based product. Vitamin C, it is, of course, it's brightening and everything, but also it is rich in antioxidants, so it prevents that collagen breakdown, it prevents that dullness on your skin and keeps your skin overall healthy, bright and firm. And the product that I will be using, it is the Formula RX brightening serum. Now this serum contains 3 ingredients to brighten up your skin tone. It contains 10% of vitamin C derivative, it contains 2% of arbutin and 2% of NAG. So all of these 3 ingredients, they are really amazing ingredient to brighten up your skin. Now the ingredient of this vitamin C serum and the I'm From Rice serum, they work fabulously together. The vitamin E, ferulic acid from the I'm From Rice Toner, and the vitamin C, arbutin and NAG from this vitamin C serum from the Formula RX, they really complement each other, they really go well with each other. So this is why again I'm using them together. And I really love the texture of this Formula RX vitamin C serum, and the texture of this is almost like a gel cream but slightly lighter than that, but at the same time it is sufficiently both hydrating and moisturizing in nature. Like the texture of this vitamin C serum is very elegant. It feels so amazing on the skin. And so for the performance, I definitely liked this serum. When I use this regularly for both morning and night routine in my skincare routine, I definitely notice a glow on my skin. I definitely notice that my skin looks overall healthy and slightly bright and more even toned. And secondly, it definitely works on the minor acne marks, but I haven't seen it working on my stubborn deep acne marks, because I have been testing this out for nearly 2 months. And so yeah, I think that's like a sufficient time to see like how far a product can work. At the same time, like if you ask me, I don't expect a vitamin C derivative to work on really deep stubborn acne marks. For deep stubborn acne marks, you will need a pure vitamin C, at least of strength 15% or above. So I do get asked how long you should be using arbutin rich product, like any product that has a concentration of arbutin of 2% or more, how long you should be using it. I feel that once you have finished up a tube or a bottle of that arbutin serum, you can give a break of say 1 or 2 months and again start using it. This is what I have done. So now coming back to the routine, and next I will be putting on my eye cream. And for the eye cream, I'm using this Klairs Fundamental Nourishing Eye Butter. So if you want to maintain this glow on your skin, you want to maintain that even skin tone on your skin, it is important that after putting on all of the treatment product, you follow up with a sunscreen. Like people, if you are not in the habit of wearing a sunscreen, please don't waste your time, money and your effort on other skin brightening product, because without the sunscreen, all these products are pretty much useless. And the sunscreen that I have been using lately is the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel with SPF 50+, PA 4+. Now, even though I have nearly 14 sunscreen at home, this is the sunscreen that I keep reaching out for. So I apply nearly 3-finger quantity. This is the standard quantity that you should be using for the application of your sunscreen. I love it because it is hydrating and moisturizing on skin. It doesn't leave any white cast. It gives that dewy, glowy skin effect, and also it doesn't feel sticky or heavy on skin. And most importantly, it doesn't irritate my skin. It doesn't give me breakout. Like people, I've been using this sunscreen from, I guess, from April. So yeah, this is, I think, a really long time to for sure say that this is a non-comedogenic sunscreen. And at the moment in India, you can only get it at beautyban.in. And also I wanna put up that it is like out of stock most of the time. They do get it in stock and it goes out of stock very easily. Like this product is something which I got luckily has a PR from the website. But before that, I did try to get my hands on this twice, and twice in front of my eyes this product went out of stock. And I was like, when will I be able to get my hands on it? But luckily they sent me as a PR, so finally I have it. And I think this is something I would like to repurchase if I'm not testing out something new. This is really good sunscreen. You all must have noticed that I haven't used the moisturizer, and it is because of these two products. Like Formula RX serum is sufficiently moisturizing, and also this Isntree sunscreen is also sufficiently moisturizing on my skin. And the last product that I like to use in my morning routine, it is the Innisfree My Lip Balm in the shade Wedding. Oh my god. Innisfree My Lip Balm in the shade Wedding Peach Tea. So this is basically a tinted lip balm. It has that moisturizing texture, and also it leaves that beautiful natural pinkish tint on your lip. So after application, just wait for a minute, because after a minute it develops the full pink color. Like it doesn't give that lipstick kind of pink color, but more like a natural, your own lips but better kind of color. So yeah, Routine is something that you can also follow in the night time. Like in the night, you first gonna double cleanse your face and then follow up with this I'm from Rice toner, and then use this Formula RX vitamin C serum, and then use the Klairs eye cream and replace your sunscreen with the Formula RX barrier relief cream. And I really love this Formula RX barrier repair cream because firstly, it has very good texture. It has that gel cream sort of texture which is perfect for this monsoon summertime, and is also ideal for people who doesn't like very viscous thick cream. And when I see it ingredient wise, it does have some really good ingredients. It contains 3 types of ceramide, it contains cholesterol, it also contains fatty acid, and these 3 are the primary requirement for a product to be a good skin barrier repairing product. Also, this is like 100% fragrance free, essential oil free, and yeah, so overall a really good formulation. And plus I have been using it, I think, for nearly a month or so, and it definitely felt nice on my skin. It made my skin soft, and when I paired this moisturizer with other actives, it did not dry out my skin. Like, if you must have experienced this, if you have like sensitive or dry skin, whenever you combine your actives like vitamin C, retinol, AHA, BHA, and there are few moisturizer, when those kind of moisturizer, when used with these kind of active based product, they just fail on your skin. They no more feel moisturizing on your skin. But this one really complements all the active based serums out there. So all the products that I have used on my face today, I have linked them down in the description box below. So if you are curious to check them out, definitely check the description box right below the video. And if you like the video, definitely give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye.